In this video, we will demonstrate how to install your NDE series wireless lock. These are the tools you will need. We will be installing the lock on a wood door with standard ANSI cylindrical prep. In the box, you will find the strike, latch, outside assembly, backplate, spring cage, inside assembly, battery pack and cover, batteries, screw pack, pin wrench, levers, and instruction sheets. Note that the actual size drawings of all screws used can be found in the installation instructions. Be sure you use the right screw at each step. Install the latch with the 2 screws. Be sure the bevel of the latch is correct for the swing of the door. Install the strike and magnet tray. For proper lock operation, the strike and tray that come in the box must be used. Standing on the outside of the door, hold the outside assembly up and check that the knob stop pin is pointing toward the latch. If it is not, hold the assembly as shown, pull down on the lever post, and rotate the chassis 180 degrees. If your door is thicker or thinner than 1 3/4 inches, see the installation instructions for adjusting the outside assembly for your door thickness. Route the smaller chassis wire through the chassis. For right-handed locks, route the wire through the metal channel. For left-handed locks, route the wire through the black plastic channel. Connect the chassis wire to the ribbon cable and carefully route the ribbon cable within the channel as shown. Slowly push the assembly into the door from the outside. Ensure no cables are pinched and that the latch tail fits into the slides of the chassis. On the inside of the door, route the ribbon cable through the large hole in the backplate, then slide the backplate into the assembly. The backplate is labeled to help you identify which side should face the door and which way is up. Route the section of the ribbon cable with protective black tape underneath the provided tabs of the backplate, ensuring the cable is flat from bottom to top. Install the spring cage with the 2 screws. Ensure the ribbon cable is tucked into position and that the knob stop pin is pointed toward the latch. Connect the ribbon cable to the inside assembly as shown. Then, slide the assembly onto the backplate from above, ensuring the ribbon cable is not pinched. Secure with the 2 screws. Install the 4 AA batteries into the battery holder. The battery holder is labeled to help you ensure proper orientation of each battery. On the inside assembly, gently slide the battery strap up and press on the tab to open. Connect the battery pack to the connector. Place the battery pack into the assembly, snap the strap into place, and gently slide the strap down until snug. As you connect the batteries, the lock will sound a pattern of beeps. The outside light will flash green, indicating the lock has successfully powered on. slide the battery cover into place and secure with the screw. To install the inside lever, press the knob stop pin and slide the lever onto the inside assembly until you hear a click. To install an outside lever with a standard cylinder, turn the cam inside the lever post with the screwdriver clockwise until it stops. Insert the cylinder into the lever as shown, then insert the key. Rotate the key 90 degrees clockwise, then slide the lever onto the outside assembly. Use the pin wrench to press the knob stop pin. Check that the lever and cylinder have seated properly by turning the key and removing it. Test the lock function by rotating the inside lever to ensure the latch fully retracts and that the door latches when closed. From the outside, turn the key and verify full latch retraction.